Actually, many lawyers are rather sceptical about the idea you can use the law to make people compassionate. One reason for that is that the law requires its obligations to be certain, so people need to know what they have to do to comply with the law. And the problem is that nobody really knows quite for sure what compassion is, or what it means to be compassionate in a particular situation. So it'd be rather unfair for the law to punish someone for saying you weren't being compassionate if they could turn around and say, well, how was I meant to know that you were to say that wasn't compassionate? Another difficulty for the law is that you normally, in the law, require things to be provable. So in court, we can know whether someone was compassionate or not. But it rather depends on your meaning of compassion, but it often has an element of a mental element in it. And how can we know what was inside someone's mind, whether they were thinking kindly towards the other person or not? So there are definite difficulties for the law in trying to enforce compassion. Indeed, you might think someone who is being compassionate because they were made to by legal regulations would almost rob compassion of its goodness or its virtue. But that doesn't mean I think that the law can do nothing. The law can try and create space, ensure people have the time to be compassionate, keep regulations to a realistic level so people have the space to be compassionate and to be able to spend time talking to patients and other people.